I'll check my back.
You good? Get those hands.
Pants, I'm out?
Yeah.
I couldn't see.
Hit your leg, yeah, see? Barely hit your leg. You're shooting.
Look at my back. You got me on my back. That was the first one.
Nah. No?
No?
You got a bunch of slide in here. Put your hand up over there.
Don't show me! See, I didn't think they could leave.
I didn't so either.
You got hit in the hand?
I got hit hand and right here.
Oh.
That one fucked. Look at that.
Yeah, you're gonna feel that.
Yeah. I feel like his hit's harder than everyone else's.
What's that?
I feel like his hit's harder.
You got hit in the hand too?
Huh?
You got hit in the hand too?
Yeah.
There you go, souvenir.
But I thought they said they couldn't leave. That's why I was.
He's super confused apparently.
Yeah. I didn't either because I was looking this way and the fire came from that way.
How many other blue spots are on this side of me? I felt like
There's
30.
that one.
Here somewhere in the hand.
Yeah, right there in the arm.
Too.
He fucking lit me
Oh
up.
yeah, he lit you up.
No, you shot me in the ass. In the hand.
Just John left? Yeah, as usual. I didn't know they could come out. We didn't know that.
Yeah. I didn't.
Because I was looking at the thing.
Is that what you were thinking too?
Yeah, I got lit up on the side. I wasn't even expecting.
Yeah, I got shot in the ass.
Shooting me?
Yeah, I got shot in the ass.
And I think the girl in the blue, I saw her like crouching up there. I don't know, for some reason I thought, well, she's outside, like don't shoot. I didn't realize you could come out there.
Well, now we know.
I think shot under my mouth.
Looks like it hit you here and just kind of splattered out.
It didn't even break, huh?
It just bounced out.
Alright, well, now I know.
Millie's half the battle.
Being stuck in that thing is awful. Being stuck where?
Being stuck in that thing?
Oh, yeah. Well, you can't come out because they came out and around, so.
Yeah, you can. So.
I think what they're saying is there's got to be one person in there all the time.
He's blowing the whistle. Yeah,
Well,
now
we are now.
I didn't say you couldn't.
All of us thought that.
Yeah.
Then we all got shot in the ass.
That happened. Hey, look at this. Light floating fish. Now you know all you got children's field.
Oh.
Man, somebody shot me in the inner thigh.
Were you crouching on the top of it? Were you crouching on the top of it?
We couldn't leave
Because I saw
that.
you and I was like,
So it was like, what are you shooting at? Besides, you guys can't leave.
see what happens when you make games up? People get hurt. We didn't know you could leave.
Huh?
We didn't know that you could leave the base. We thought they were all going to be in the base and we were coming.
too.
So I was like over there hiding and it was shooting from this way. And then I saw the girl in blue like crouched down over here and I didn't shoot her because I thought, well, she's outside the base. But
Yeah, I thought they had the same base too.
yeah.
Oh, shit.
So
And
just to
right
be
there.
clear,
Right there in the middle of my fingers. Jeez.
So does one of us have to stay here? Or can we all go?
No, I don't think we have to, but I mean,
Only, but
we need to be flag or no?
you kind of do.
gonna have anything to do with it.
Because they can win without killing us by lowering the flag. So.
Oh, is that what they're doing? Yeah.
But really,
Yeah,
who's the guy in the black, the good one? He's the one that really like advances. All the girls hang back.
Yeah. I might wiggle right in over here. Yeah, I was thinking, well, if you're going to go far right. You get there way faster. Are you going to go way right? Hard right? Yeah, I think I'm going to go this way. Then I'll come up just in front of you.
I don't know if I can make it, but I almost want to get the other side of the helicopter into that area. So I'll have the right side on them, and they'll have to fire left-handed.
go for it.
Hey, look to me too, you guys.
I did not expect that.
Hey, hey! It's all the way over to your right.
Whatever. Slightest break.
Oh shit. Woo. Got me. Ow. I don't think there's anybody left. That's not him. Oh. You got me, you got me.
We're not gonna like it. It's fun to do, but no, most of us can't control 200 players to do it correctly. We're not gonna play Civil War, are we? Yeah. Everyone wants to shoot you. This is like the only chance they're gonna get. You're at the front. You're the ones I do. I'm aiming for someone's face.